I need a police report against my abusive spouse to be able to apply for VAWA. So the law acknowledges that you might not be ready to turn your spouse in, or you feel like you're not in a position where you can turn them in. Sometimes the abuse is emotional, right? So verbal abuse, mental abuse from your US citizen or green card holder spouse. They're refusing to help you with the green card application. They're using it as a way to control and manipulate you. That clearly is not something you're going to report to the police, right? Physical abuse, you could perhaps report that to the police. You don't necessarily have to. But for VAWA, no police report is required. The main piece of evidence of abuse that we have is your statement to us about what is going on. So what we do when we start the case is we schedule a confidential call. It's just going to be with you and someone from our office. My paralegal, Michelle, she's been doing this all the time. And she'll give you a call and she will go through with you just questions, and you just answer truthfully with as much detail as you can remember. That information is taken, we draft that up into a declaration. You will review it and give us your input, make changes if needed. Sometimes things happen from the time we draft the declaration to the time we file. So you might update us and we would update it and give it back to you as well to review and approve before we file. That is our main piece of evidence of the abuse in the relationship. So many cases get approved with nothing else as evidence of abuse. So keep that in mind. I hope that if you're in a situation where you're married to a US citizen or a green card holder, and that relationship is abusive, even emotionally abusive or verbally or mentally abusive, that you consider applying for a green card on your own without the help of your spouse. That whole process is done here in the United States, and a police report is not required. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.